Hello, 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 hello. Hello, 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 hello. Hi, mic testing. Okay, students, today we will study chapter. This is actually chapter number 7, but it is in the book. It is written chapter 7. No problem. This is chapter 8. Chapter 5. This part you already studied in chapter number 2. This is calling population. Here the customer enter like in the bank, and he will see the server. If server is busy, then he can wait. This is the intezar saf for the customer. After the intezar saf, he will dakhil to the server. When finish, he will exit. Okay, so this is the simple queuing system you studied in chapter number 2. Now characteristic of queuing system. So for the characteristics, number one is the customer. One is the customer. Another one is the server. Where server? Here. Customer is actually referred to the pupil, machine, truck, mechanic, patient, aeroplane. Any meaning is anything. I will write here. Customer, anything that arrive and require service. Okay, so here anything who arrive and require service, like for example bank, Al Razi Bank, customer dakhil and customer want service, so customer is the customer. Next one is the, you can say, hospital. In the hospital you can see patients. In the hospital you can see patient. In the workshop, truck or sayyara, they will enter, so this is trucks. This is all also a customer. Okay, next is the server. Server might be referred to as which is, for example, any resource which provide the service. Yani customer is who require service, and server is who provide service. Okay, So this is two important terms, customer and server. Now you have to see this table. See number 1, the system reception desk. Reception desk yani same meaning like hotel. Okay, so in the hotel, the pupil is the customer, and server is the receptionist who will sit in front of the door, who will provide the service, is known as server. Now repair, oh sorry, see garage. In the garage, the Sayyara car they will enter, so the trucks are the customer. And who will provide service? The mechanic, the nafar, the mechanic is the server. Next is hospital. In hospital, patient is the customer. And who will provide service? Nurse. Nurse provide service, or doctor. Okay, next, warehouse. Warehouse. In the warehouse, cartoons. Okay, big cartoons, or you can say platelets. And who will provide service in the warehouse? The crane will take your items and put in the warehouse. Next is the airport. In the airport, airplanes. Airplanes are the customer, and they require server, yani they require runway. Next is the grocery, bakala. In that, the nafar, the shoppers who want to shop, is the customer, and checkout counter is the server. Next, in the computer jobs, any job, let's say RAM, ROM, like this, or you can say like you are running Windows. In the Windows, you are running Word file, you are running PowerPoint file. So these are the different jobs, and it requires CPU, disk, and tape. Yani it require memory. Whatever task you are doing, it require memory. So task is the customer, and the CPU, RAM, these all are known as server. Next is telephone. In the telephone, calls. Calls is the customer. Server the exchange. Okay. Now here production line. Production line, like you can say in the big company, where in one company the company can produce up to 100 element, 100 cars or 100 products at maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. So production line. Cases you can say the packets, and case packers. So these are the system, this is the customer, and this is the server. Customer yani who require service. Server yani who give service. Now see in exam how question like this. System, customer, server. Receptionist desk. Customer yani reception desk. Customer yani pupil. Server yani receptionist. Hospital. In hospital, customer yani customer is patient, and server is nurse. So like this question, or another question, or question like this. Dash is the customer in airport system. Option number A, car. Option number B, truck. Option number C, you can say aeroplanes. So the answer is aeroplanes. Okay. Okay, this. Oh. Now calling population. Calling population is this. आधा इंतजार sir, and this is server. इंतजार sir. So here customer दाखिल. So customer दाखिल इतने in type, two types, finite and another one infinite. Okay. So finite yani what is the meaning finite? Finite meaning is where you know how many customer. You know how many customer, and infinite meaning is you don't know how many customer. Okay, so first we will see the finite, like bank of fine machine. Open machine, remove the tire. Okay, so there is a one machine, five machine that cure a tire. Yani in the workshop machine opens and must be attended by workers who remove the tire and put in the uncured tire into the machine. Okay, so in this workshop only 5 sayyar dakhil, so this is known as finite. Another one meaning infinite, so calling population infinite meaning is example is customer of restaurant yani in the hotel, how many customer dakhil we don't know, customer in the bank we don't know how many customer enter. So this is the example restaurant and bank, and here I will write restaurant, bank, and finite is the workshop. Okay, infinite is restaurant and the bank. Okay, next we will see system capacity. System capacity meaning is what is the capacity of the system. Let's say classroom 20 students, so this is the capacity of the classroom. If more than this, then problem. Okay, so capacity, like capacity of Sayyara only urban nafar, capacity of GMC Sayyara 7 nafar. Okay, sitta saba this number. So capacity, system capacity. Okay, so definition is there is a limit to the number of customer that may be in the waiting line or in the system. Okay, so there is a limit how many customer that he will serve or how many customer is in the intezar sir. Okay, for example in the workshop there is only space for ashra sayyara in the intezar sir. Okay, if more then problem. Okay, so system capacity limited लिमिटेड यानी limited to a certain number. Let's say 5 customer, 5 sayyara, 5 aeroplane, 5 nafar. Okay. Unlimited yani there is no limit on the number of student, there is no limit on the number of customer in the bank, there is no limit on the customer in the restaurant. Okay, so two types, limited and unlimited. Now next, arrival process. The arrival process for infinite population model is usually characterized in terms of inter-arrival time. Okay, so arrival process. So arrival process is characteristic by inter-arrival time. Let's say here customer service time. Okay, oh sorry, this is arrival time. So for this, if you want to calculate arrival time, then here you can calculate inter inter-arrival time. So let's say customer 1, 2, 3. Arrival time here 4, 5, 4, 3. So inter-arrival time for customer number 1 is 0. Customer number 2, inter-arrival time come for the first customer always 4. For the next customer, 4 plus 3, 7. So this is inter-arrival time. Same here. Inter-arrival time. Okay. This is the definition. Arrival process. Okay. Now arrival two type. Arrival mungkin random. Okay, random arrival. Yani we don't know the customer दाखिलीन तरतीब or customer may enter at any time. So it is random. Okay, random, same like random number. So arrival happen at random time. Okay, let's say this is bank at 9 a.m. Let's say 10 customer दाखिल at around am. Here only 2 customer दाखिल at 11 am. Let's say 10 customer दाखिल. So this is yani random. At 9 10 customer, 10 2 customer, at 11 10 customer. So this is known as random arrival, random times. So random arrival process. Okay, so this is the system capacity. System capacity two type, limited, unlimited. Limited yani in which you malum how many nafar, unlimited yani maafi malum how many nafar. Next is calling population. Calling population mumkin finite, mumkin infinite. Finite yani you know how many customer, infinite yani you don't know how many customer. System, customer, customer yani who require service, server yani who give service. So this is all are the system. Okay, this is the customer, this is server. So